Welcome to FSA Kitchens. Today we're going to do a peppercorn steak, or traditionally commonly known as a steak au poivre. It is fantastic. So the first thing we want to do, get our pan nice and hot. We're going to do a little olive oil blend in there, and just to kind of gild the lily a little bit, little bacon drippings, or as I like to refer to, the angel's wings of our friend the bacon. We want to really get that smoking hot, nice hot sear going on there, because that's going to be part of our sauce as well. We got to get a seasoned flour. Season it up real simply with just a little fresh cracked black pepper, a little sea salt in there. We're going to just dredge or dust our steak in that real quick. I'm just going to throw in some fresh herbs on that, get that going, kind of infuse our oil a little bit. And we're putting in our steak. All right, looking good, looking good. Man, the aromatics off this rosemary and thyme are just awesome. So I'm gonna put those aromatics on there just like that, and then right behind me we have an oven ready to go to finish that. So now what we wanna do, we're gonna put some chopped garlic in there, a little chopped chive in there, some green peppercorns here. So these are our pickled cured peppercorns. Oh, I almost forgot the best part. A little brandy in that bad boy. Yeah. There, now we're cooking. Cook that brandy down a little bit. And then here I've got a little bone broth, or demi-glaze. Let's stir that around. What we want to do here is then reduce this demi-glaze and all these flavors down. All right, I got bubbles coming up in the middle, all the way around. It's kind of looking like a little beef caramel going on right now. So we're going to add in a little cream. Real classic French steak, French preparation. And this is a quick preparation too. This steak, you know, you could have this done in and out of your kitchen in under 10 minutes. Here comes that steak. Boy, this is good. It is looking fantastic. Yeah, let's take a look at this. Boy, this looks fantastic. I'm just going to cut into it because I want to see how beautiful that meat is. All right, folks, I'm going to take a little bite of this treat here. Sure looks good. I like a little extra sauce on there. All right, here we go. Well, thank you for joining us here at FSA Test Kitchens. And looking forward to the next time we have a visit.